Hi guys, and welcome back to Together We're Jenny. My name is Jeanette, and in today's episode is my little travels to Townsville. And as you can see behind me, there's a little red hibiscus. What a beautiful plant. You'll find that a lot of stuff here in Townsville is a lot greener because it rains a lot more than it does in WA. So I love this kind of climate. It's also very warm at the moment. So I've come up here to say hello to my mate and also to celebrate Anzac Day. So enjoy the video and I'll see you back in Perth. Okay guys, so yesterday I went up to my block and gave it a good watering because I won't be here for the whole week. So I do things like that, but simple fact that I don't trust my reticulation, the temporary reticulation that I put into my garden, I don't trust it too well. Not only that, I am in the middle of a build. So the tradies are using that one tap as well at the moment. So, you know, with a little bit of, carelessness or something like that, they may not actually turn the tap back on, which case my plants won't get watered, right? And that's fine because that's a little bit of annoyance. And at the end of the day, what I'm going to get out of it, I'm more grateful for. So if these tradies do forget to turn on my water for my retic, not a problem. At least I know deep down that the garden's been well watered. I've done the same thing here at my parents' house, just in case something goes wrong. It doesn't hurt to get the watering in. Furthermore, the El Nino is now particularly, I think, is pretty much gone because the temperatures have dropped today, like big time dropped. So that's great, but unfortunately his sister's coming in last something, I'm not too sure what it is, but his sister's coming in, which means it's going to be a colder winter. Unfortunately, it won't probably won't be too cold for those in WA on the west side, unfortunately. On the east side, can't really say much, they may get colder. So I'm all prepared, ready to go, and that's how I like to travel, to get everything done. So when I get home, I don't need to stress or worry about it, especially when you're on holidays, guys. Look after the garden and the garden will look after you. Hi, so this is the beginning of my trip. So here I have some packing cubes. I got these from TK Maxx. They're French Connections packing cubes. It makes packing so much easier and organized. So I know that this is my gym wear, this is going to be my day wear. Underneath all this I've got some shoes, and then later on at the last minute I will probably pack in my toiletries at the end of that. What I'm taking on the flight with me is this great bag, and in here I've already packed in an outfit and my undies, because you just don't know what's going to happen on that flight and whether or not this bag here is going to make it. So I'm only there for a short trip, so I just need to make sure you got some clean undies, hey? And then with me, I'm going to take some snacks. I've got some vegan snacks there, vegan stuff there, and a little bit for brekkie. I've got my supplements and some pain relief. At the moment, I'm suffering with a little bit of a back pain, and so I've got that for my little bit of pain relief. Obviously, I'm going to take all my electrical stuff. Spiritually, I'm going to be taking my crystals. So I've got rose quartz, amethyst, carnelian is great for grounding, and blue laces are all great crystals for traveling. I also have my pendulum, and I'm also taking a set of cards from Carl Gray, the Gateway of Light Activation. In here I have more essential oils and doTERRA stuff, and taking on some rose water spritz, purely just for hydration. I've also got lip balm. I'm also taking this Sally Bell from doTERRA as well, great for flights, and hand cream with a bit of hemp seed oil in there, awesome. And then a couple of Ted stockings like kind of thing for my ankles for the flight. Right, getting prepared. So before I get on a flight, or after I've come off a long flight, I like to ground, because at the end of the day, being up in the air all the time is great, but it's not good for your energy. So when you get off the plane, find a bit of grassed area, preferably with no prickles, and begin to ground your feet to the earth. to Mother Earth herself. So we went for a walk into the Strand and we came across the War Memorial and these gorgeous Moreton Bay figs. And they were just everywhere. I love these trees. Then we went to Magnetic Island, a beautiful place, and I found this plant that was everywhere. It's called a bridal bouquet. Very pretty plant. And then I found this kookaburra. Hey guys, we are at Magnetic Island in Townsville, and check out this lovely scenery. So I'm just amazed by how green this area is. Obviously it gets a lot more rain than WA does. We were then headed off to lunch and I got this vegan jackfruit pulled pork sandwich. And this is us on the ferry. Very smooth, very quick to get there as well. And it took like 20 minutes for us to get from the main island to Magnetic Island. And it was, yeah, it was a good bit of sailing. I love the space and the open ocean. Got a little visitor today. Oh, hey little buddy. I love seeing wildlife first thing in the morning. Hey guys, so I'm actually far north Queensland and we are at Frosty Mango and they actually have vegan pineapple ice cream. Very nice. So here we are at Crystal Brook. So green around here. If we were to go from here straight across to WA, it would be red and dead basically. But look how beautiful and green it is on the east side of Australia. And Moreton Bay figs. How beautiful is this? So here we are at the top of Mount Stewart, checking over the scenery of Townsville. And pretty sure that over there is Magnetic Island, where I went the other day. So we're probably 584 meters above water, above sea level. Might help if I say it right. So here I'm at Townsville, here's my mate Shaz, say hi! And here we are at Castle Hill, and this is again around Townsville, 200 and something square, above sea level, thank you. And then here is an old, by what it looks like, an old army barracks, lookout post of the water. Yeah. That's pretty cool, huh?